In this session, we will show you how to create your touchscreen. First, you click on Configuration, Touchscreen. You will click New. You click the first screen, you will create the main screen. So you create an empty main screen. You give it a name, Main Menu, and you click the X and click Save. So you create your first screen. Then you will click New to create a second screen. Then from here, we'll show you different scenario. You create, click Create from scratch. You give it a name. Beverage. Then you drag a couple of buttons, just like this. Alright. You can resize and move your button, just like that. Alright. If you want all the same button, you can click Arrange the button. Click example 200 for the width, of 90 for the height, distance from top 20, distance from left 20, number of column 1, number of row 8. That's the number that depends how many buttons you have on the screen. Space between column 0, space between row, we just put 10. Click apply, and you all arrange the button for you. To create your item under the button, you just double click on it. Then you can type like Coke, $1.29 plus tax, then the group beverage, and click OK. Create a second one. You already have your select tax and beverage for you. You just need to type a description like Pepsi and give it a price, $1.29. Then can continue, range, $1.29, then 7-Up, $1.29, oh, 7-Up, 7-Up, $1.29, okay. And now you will need a button to return to your previous screen or to return to the main screen. So you can put in here, you will select which screen, maybe main menu, and click add. You can rearrange that item like this. Maybe you want on 2 line, click apply, now it's on 2 line. Maybe you want the font size to be a little bit bigger. If I take out the space here, yeah, it'll align better. You can resize it. You can select another button for the background. You can do the same thing on those buttons and tell, okay, it will be this color and the font size will be bigger. You can also change the font color. I will leave it black, be a good contrast. And you can tell I send to printer 1 to a kitchen printer or kitchen monitor. After you set up, you can go ahead to do the same thing for the other button, or you can click the first one you want, keep all property, click other button you want the same property from the first one, and you uncheck it. You see, it's done. So I can click the X and click Save. Another way to create a screen is click New, create from scratch. You can drag your button, and to link the item to your button, you take the item from your inventory. So under beverages you have one, select, then I can select Pepsi, and I can select orange, and so on. I will click the X and click cancel for now because I want to show you a different way to do it. You can also create a screen from all items from a group like this. You select a group, you select all your items, and you click select, and you will click don't fill. So you just have the button you select on the screen, and you can type a name and click save and do the same thing. I will click cancel because we already have that screen here. Now to link that screen to the main menu, you will click main menu, you will click edit, you will select an empty button, and then you will go under screen and you will select the screen you want, like beverages, and click add. So it's typing a name and the size, so you can resize that button to fit perfectly, and just click the X and save. Now we can try in the POS if those screen work. Click the POS. If you have an empty screen like this, is because we didn't tell which screen is the default. So we will click the X, go on config, company, and you click display/POS. You will default screen, main menu, click apply. Go back to customer, POS, and now you see your screen. And you can put it bigger a little bit. Now you can click beverages and you see your item is working. You can click main, $20 cash. That's it. It's an easy way to create your screen.